This is station WXL40 in the city Harrisburg, frequency 162.550 on NOAA National Weather Service. Temperature in Dauphin, with a high of 52 degrees, with a low of 46 degrees, mostly The civil authorities had issued a local area emergency for Dauphin, Pennsylvania, and the city of Harrisburg, beginning at 3:45 p.m. and ending at 11:14 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dauphin County Emergency Management Agency, and the Pennsylvania State Emergency Management Agency. At around 3:39 p.m. Eastern Time, an explosion was reported at the Ronald Reagan Federal Building and Courthouse. In an act of terrorism, radioactive material was spotted after the explosion, causing the sky to turn pink. In addition, a strange individual was spotted before the explosion happened. This individual is described as Miss Radioactive. Miss Radioactive is responsible for the attacks that happened on May 11, 2019, April 2020, and May 11, 2021. Miss Radioactive is a 22-year-old white female, 6 feet tall, unknown weight, and has long black hair with pink tips and pink glowing eyes, along with a tattoo that has a radioactive sign on her right arm and sharp teeth. She was last seen wearing a pink dress with a black skirt with black fabric the same color as her belt with pink high heels. Do not approach this individual, as she is extremely dangerous and toxic. Please tune in to your local officials for further updates about the situation.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Louisiana State Police. The Louisiana State Police have issued an Amber Alert of a child that was abducted from their home. Police are looking for Anthony Hoover. He is a white male, 11 years old, date of birth January 12, 2010, and he is 5 feet 1 inch tall and weighs about 97 pounds and with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a Minecraft t-shirt with black pants and black shoes. The suspect of this abduction is thought to be Miss Radioactive. Miss Radioactive is a 22-year-old white female, date of birth May 11, 2000. She is 6 feet tall with unknown weight and has long black hair with pink tips and has a radioactive sign tattoo on her right arm with pink glowing eyes with sharp teeth. She was last seen wearing a pink dress with a black skirt along with black fabric the same color as her belt and has pink high heels. She is also in a yellow 2021 Volkswagen Atlas with Louisiana license plate GTF8107. If you have seen this child or have any information about the incident, please call the hotline 748-326-9988 or dial 911 immediately.
Alright, let me investigate this caldera for a moment. Wait a minute. What is she doing here? Oh she has a nuclear bomb! And she's putting it in the caldera? Gotta tell administration! Sir! Sir! Oh my god, you just interrupted my f***ing work! Sir, Miss Radioactive just put a nuclear bomb inside the caldera. and it is at a high risk of exploding. Holy sh! Just sound the alarm already!